I'm constantly just cruising through school.
He's retiring and we still don't know what he does.
There's no Christmas lights.
Hi everyone, so it is currently 5 p.m. I'm getting a way later start to the vlog than I normally would, but happy Vlogmas week 2. It is currently day 5 of Vlogmas. It is December 5th. I am currently still needing to have to edit Vlogmas week 1. By the time you're seeing this, that vlog will already be up, so I'll have it in the cards above just in case you haven't watched it. If you haven't watched that video, I am currently doing Vlogmas where you vlog every single day from December 1st to December 25th. I do it a bit differently. Typically you do daily vlogs, so you upload every single day up until Christmas, but I cannot do that. And for my mental health, we do weekly uploads. I just wanted to introduce this vlog. I still have to finish editing Vlogmas week 1, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys in a bit. So it is currently 1:52 in the afternoon and it is Vlogmas day 6. It is so gloomy and I'm getting such a late start on the day. I actually worked out for the first time in so long and my body was literally like, what the fuck? I've decided that I'm going to go and clean my office room. But happy Vlogmas day 6. I want to clean my office room because it's a literal disaster in there. Hi guys, so it is currently 2:38 and it is Vlogmas day 9. My coffee is literally how close I am to losing my shit. I basically failed Vlogmas day 7 and 8, mostly day 8, because I have no idea what I did with the footage. I accidentally deleted the footage because I cannot find it. I do have a little bit of footage that I filmed on my phone when I went to Marshall's. Day 8 is just nowhere to be seen. Literally didn't miss much because all I did yesterday was watch Netflix. I just got a notification on my phone saying that my prof finished marking something, so I thought it could be fun to check my grades together. This is for my business class, business and social innovation. I had like a 79 point something in this class. Currently I'm at an 81, 25 out of 30 for my group project. Okay, so it's an 83.33333, whatever. I say that that is pretty good considering I did this entire project myself. I'm constantly just cruising through school. I literally thought that this semester was going to be one of my worst. I'm so sorry. It's looking pretty good. The mental breakdowns truly may have been worth it. It is currently 5-ish p.m. and I decided to paint my nails. So here's my array of colors. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I think I'm gonna do like a French tip though. I always plan to do my nails like right before dinner. Why? I don't know. I gotta go cook rice. Hi guys and good morning. It is currently around 8:30 in the morning. It is Vlogmas day 10. December is going by so very slowly, but at the same time so very fast. I realized today that some people still have classes. Did I show you my nails yesterday? I ended up doing these like French tips and then leaving my pinkies just full on white. They're not the best, but they are done. It snowed again last night, which is kind of annoying. I think today we also have to get my sister's fiance's present from my parents. My parents don't go Christmas shopping for themselves.
Like a doctor, UPS doctor, they always ask me, what do I do for a living? I said, I fix things.
It's a classy bag.
What's the title though?
He's retiring and we still don't know what he does.
There's no job title. I had to find out on LinkedIn.
I don't know, something you're always working on stocks. You can open up a YouTube page and, you know, you can...
Me.
But you have to get a dog too.
Oh.
They won't let us. She's right there, the dog. What the hell is this?
Each one is a battery?
Yeah, that's what I said. So one UPS uses all this battery.
What's a UPS?
Those connects to the battery. So if there's a power failure, the UPS starts a battery.
I don't want to get electrocuted.
Oh, these are all
Whoa!
electronics.
You
Fix that?
Yeah. See, that's what I fix. Look at that. That's all high voltage.
What the hell is that?
No, this is where you should have gotten your physics.
That's all.
No, I cheated.
Hi guys and welcome to Vlogmas day 11, I'm pretty sure. Today is a pretty exciting day. I am going to my sister's wedding dress appointment, so I'm going to take you along with me. It is also going to be the first time I'm back in the city in quite a bit. I think the last time I went was probably in September. Today is like super gloomy. It's like raining outside, which sucks. I hate the rain. I would rather have snow than rain. I'm wearing this sweater, which you didn't see because I don't know what happened to those clips, but it's from Marshall's, and then I'm just wearing a pair of jeans from American Eagle. Let's head out.
Oh. Not my fave. This is not it. No.
Okay, good. We feel the same.
I like the top. but then I don't like the rest. It looks like the fake snow you put on a Christmas village. It lays weird.
I don't like the wave.
It lays really weird.
I don't like the wave either. That's my skin. Like, doesn't it remind you of a tree skirt?
I don't think this is her. I think this is me.
Tiana loves it for herself, but not for you.
It's not bad.
It's not
It's not bad.
That's not what you want to say about your wedding dress, though.
It's nice. But it's not showstopping.
Yeah, it's just like eh.
And delicate.
Yeah,
This is a
I
7.
feel like
This is a 7. The other one was a 9. Ooh.
this one's nice.
That's not
It's shorter trade.
It's nice. I feel like it's only a reception dress. It's so pretty. It's just not mine.
I don't really like this one.
it's not so sparkly. There's no Christmas lights.
Hi you guys, so I think you can just tell how exhausted I am. It is currently 4:15 p.m. My sister did find the dress. Today is Vlogmas day 11. Let me open my advent calendar actually. Okay, so today is day 11. Yes! This one is the dark chocolate one, which is by far the best one in here. Other than that, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you enjoyed any part of this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. It's at KianaGabriel_. And I will see you next week for Vlogmas week 3, which is crazy. Bye guys.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?